146 people died that Saturday. 125 of them young women. They were on the 8th, 9th, and 10th floor of the Ash Building in New York City, in Greenwich Village. They couldn't get out the main exit. They raced towards the exit gate, and the exit door was locked. And when the police found the women's bodies the following day, they could see the fingernails were torn off the women as they clawed to try to get out. They were completely trapped in an inferno. And many of the workers went out of the window and jumped to their death, went 100 feet down to Green Street. People on the ground looked at these bodies coming down, and they thought that they were bales of clothing. They were horrified when they saw that these were young women leaping from the building. And they did it so that their parents would have their bodies. There was such outrage over the murder of these 146 workers that 100,000 workers marched in the funeral procession. 400,000 people lined the streets. And the cry was, who was going to protect the working girl? Unions came together with religious organizations, women's groups, community groups, and they demanded change. Automatic sprinkler systems were demanded. Fire exits could never be locked again, and they have to open out the way. This all happened within 2 months, and for the next 30 years, the Triangle Shirtwaist Factory fire gave this momentum so that by 1938, we had the Fair Labor Standards Act. We had minimum wage laws, time and a half laws for overtime. Workers had the right to organize. By 1938, there wasn't any sweatshops in the United States. They had been wiped out. The middle class was built in this struggle.